Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert date to month in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that convert date to month. Now we can see we show that in the date. Now convert from the month. Now firstly select from the month. Now keyboard press from the equal. Now press from the text. Now for select text, then select from the date, then for comma, then press from the double quotation, then press from the 4M, then again double quotation, again first bracket close. Now press from enter. Now click for the tick mark option. That is, then you show convert date to month in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.